Hi, third grade. Happy Friday. Today's big question is, what is fact fluency? When I'm fluent with my multiplication facts, that means that I know the answer right away. Right now, in the beginning of the multiplication unit, you're using other strategies to help you find the answer, like drawing equal groups, skip counting, using repeated addition, even using your fingers to count. And that's okay, but by the end of third grade, our goal is for you to become fluent with all of your multiplication facts. When you really know a multiplication fact, that means that you don't need to use other strategies to help you figure out the answer. If someone asks you 5 times 5, you're able to say 25 without really thinking about it or using a pencil and paper or thinking about it in your head. You can just say it immediately. Today, you are going to determine which facts you are fluent with and which ones you need more practice with. And all of these facts will be either your 1, 2, 5, or 10 multiplication facts, because these facts are easier for you to build fluency in the beginning. So let's take a look at some of these facts. So let's look at our 1 times multiplication facts. 1 times 1. That means there's one group with 1 in it, which looks something like this. The answer is 1. 2 times 1 means that there are 2 groups of 1. So the answer is 2. You see the pattern? 3 times 1 means there are 3 groups of 1. And even without a picture, I know that the answer is 3. Every number that you multiplied with a 1 is going to equal itself. So 1,000,000 times 1 will equal 1,000,000. Let's look at our 2 times tables. 1 times 2 means that there's one group of 2. My answer is 2. 2 times 2 means there are 2 groups of 2. So my answer is 4. What do you think the pattern is for the 2 times facts? You always double the first number. So 3 times 2, double 3 will equal 6. 4 times 2, so double 4 is going to equal 8. And if you do 10 times 2, that's double 10, will equal 20. Let's look at our 5 times table. You can skip count by 5s to find your answer. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 5, 15. And then all the way to 10 times 5 equals 50. The same thing with your 10 times facts. One group of 10, 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. And then if you see, there's another pattern here. Whenever you're multiplying a number by 10, it's almost like you take that number and you shift it over to the tens place. So shift it from the ones to the tens place, and then now in the ones place, there is a 0. So 3 times 10, shift the 3 over to the tens place and add the 0 and put the 0 at the end, which is equal to 30. So 10 times 10, now you have to shift the whole thing over. And if you remember, 10 groups of 10, it equals 100. So 10 times 10 is equal to 100. Noticing these patterns will help you when you're practicing fluency with these multiplication facts. And the next assignment, please make sure to watch the video so you can follow the directions about how you can figure out for yourself whether you are fluent with certain facts or not fluent.